You think you're so great just because your music video came out first. You think you're so good.
If you got something to say, you should just say it to me.
You're stealing my spotlight. What the fudge, man?
Listen, Nylon.
Neil.
Shut up. I was just playing a video game with my friend. That's all it was, you know?
I'm sorry. It's just, I had this great idea, and you did it first.
Hey, it's okay. I'm sure your video will be a billion times better. I mean, you are Nylon Tights.
Neon light.
Exactly. You wouldn't even know how amazing you are. But I do.
Thanks, man. And I'm sorry about all this. It's just the drink.
Yeah, me too.
Are you drinking apple juice?
You shut up! Mom!
Bill, please.